g'day, Michael Holmes from Jim Hindmarsh and Son, Moss Vale, Camden, Braidwood and Yass. Just had the Yass Store Sale today. Pretty solid day with cows and calves up to $2,700. Angus steers, most steers sort of 1,000 to 1,300 in that 230 to 300 kilo bracket, up to the top of 1,510 I believe. Angus heifers 1,000 to 1,395, most heifers. Even your little under 200 kilo heifers making up to your sort of $950s and $1,000. Crossbred cattle very similar, and Auctions Plus was interfaced today and they were very active throughout the market, which was handy. Pretty good field of buyers, all practicing social distancing of course, and a successful day for the vendors who've done well to keep their calves in the condition they've been in up to this point. Thank you.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?